In this lesson, we are going to learn indefinite article in French. So, what are the indefinite article in French? Un, un, and they. So, how we can use un, un, and they in French? If you want to compare with English, then we can say a and an. And simply, we can say one. Okay, un means one. If you want to use in singular form, then we can use un and un. But in plural form, we can use they. So how we can use un and un? We can translate in English a or an, but the rules is different. It is French and English is English. So rules are different, then French and English are different. Okay. So, un we can use for male gender noun. So, what is noun? Noun means it is the name of place, animal, and things. So, noun have a gender. Some noun belong to male gender, and some are female gender. But language like English, the noun gender is not important. But language like French, German, Italian, and Indian all language like Gujarati, Hindi, Punjabi, whatever the language you can see, the noun is important while we are using article. Okay. Now you understand what is the difference between male gender and female gender in noun. Here are some example of male gender. We can say un livre, un livre, a book, un stylo, un stylo, a pen, un bon, a bench. Now here are the example of female gender. Un serviette, un un chaise, un chaise, a chair, un gomme, un gomme, an eraser. Okay. So now how we can use they? Actually, they article which is not exist in English. In English, we can write any plural sentence with adding the plural form. But in French, there is article for plural also, and that is they. The beauty of using they is we not have to take care of gender, male or female. We can use in both gender, male and female. But we have to just put plural form of the noun. Like we seen in male gender, on live. In plural form, we can say they live. They live. En stylo. En stylo. So we can say they stylo. En bon. En bon. So in plural form, we can say they bon. They bon. Now in feminine form, again, they remain same in both gender. So first is un serviette. Un serviette. In plural, they serviette. They serviette. Un chaise. Un chaise. In plural, they says. They says. Un gomme. Un gomme. In plural form, they gomme. They gomme. Clear? So if the noun is male gender, singular, then we can use a. If the noun female gender, singular, then we can use un. And the noun plural form of both gender, then we can use they. The assignment of this lesson is write 5 noun of each. 5 from male gender, 5 from female gender, and 5 plural form. So in male, use un. In female, use un, and in plural, you can use they. Clear? Merci beaucoup.